Welcome to your low-impact HIIT for joint health. Today, we'll get your heart rate up safely while protecting your joints. Let's start moving. Start in a high plank. Bring your right knee toward your chest slowly, then left. Focus on controlled, deliberate movements. Keep your core engaged and spine neutral.
Great start! Shake out your arms and legs. Next, step-ups onto a chair. Place your right foot on a sturdy chair or step. Push through your heel to step up, then step down gently. Switch legs halfway through. Keep your movement steady, no jumping. Now let's move to cross touch and reach. Stand tall. Reach your right hand to your left foot, then switch. Keep your core tight, chest lifted, and move with control. Touch, reach, breathe, and feel your abs activate. Keep going. You've got this. Stand tall, feet shoulder width. Lower into a squat, then reach both arms up overhead as you stand. Engage your glutes and core with each movement. Excellent. Let's work the upper body now with knee push-ups. Come onto your knees, hands under shoulders. Lower your chest slowly to the floor, then push back up. Keep your core tight and spine neutral. Great job! Next, we'll target the obliques with standing side crunches. Stand tall and bring your left knee toward your left elbow. Crunch and squeeze your obliques, then reset and repeat. Now turn to your right. Keep your core tight, chest up, and move with control. Stay steady. Feel that side burn building.
Fantastic! Almost done. Let's finish with side-to-side tilts. Sit tall. Relax your shoulders. Gently tilt your head to the right. Feel that stretch along your neck. Back to center. Now tilt to the left. Slow and soft, no forcing. Breathe in and out. Let your neck loosen with every tilt. Excellent work. Last move, quick steps. March in place with light, quick steps. Keep your knees soft and land gently to protect your joints. Pump your arms slightly to stay energized. You did it! Congratulations on completing your low-impact HIIT for joint health. Take a moment to stretch or walk around and feel proud of today's effort. See you next time.
Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.